Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on my channel today. So today is another exciting day, as I always say in the beginning of my video, because it is exciting. Today I'm taking you with me. We're not really taking you, I'm taking you along in the excitement wagon, because I just received my Gucci bag in the mail and I'm just so excited. I have this shipped with me like 2 days ago, but I haven't opened it. I've been very good because I really want to film it, and today is Friday when I'm filming it. So yeah, I just got back to work, so I'm just excited to finally unbox this. It still has the ribbon and everything, but I did already open the package, the UPS, not the UPS, the FedEx box and whatever, just to make it more efficient. So if you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. This is my very first brand new Gucci bag, so I did get the box and everything. I just love the packaging. It's just classic, like black and white. So let's just untie the box. Okay, that's the ribbon right there, which I like because it's black and it's just like so. And okay, hold on. Okay, it opens up like so, and it's covered with a tissue paper, which, how do I show you this? Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out from the box, the tissue paper and everything. And one nice thing that I noticed, that the box actually folds like the Louis Vuitton box, the newer one, the orange box. So that's the dust bag. It has all this tissue paper, and the bag itself comes in this dust bag. And yep, let's just open it. And it's still another tissue paper. Oh my god, the packaging is so pristine. I like that. It just gives you the experience of a new bag. So that's what it looks like. Can you see? Now you can see what it is. Okay, let me just take this off. So there you go. That's the Gucci Marmont in the small size. So okay, let me just unwrap all of this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finally able to take off all of the packaging, the wrapping and all that stuff. So now you can see the back itself. It looks like this. This is again the Gucci Marmont in the small size, and this one is in a black leather, because if you watch my previous Gucci Marmont video, I have it in a medium size in a nude color, and I was really debating to get the smaller one, and I finally decided just to place an order, and it was back ordered for several weeks, and I'm so glad that I finally have it on my hand today. And yeah, so this is the close-up bag, as you can see, and it also has that heart detail at the back, the same with the medium one, and that's what it looks like on the side, the other side, and at the bottom, like that. So one thing that I immediately noticed, so when I open the bag, that I already see the creasing of the leather. I think that's just natural from the leather itself. Even though it's brand new, it still smells really new, and especially the way it's packaged, and it was back ordered. It was like freshly made from Italy. I think, yeah, this is made in Italy. So that's what it looks like, and the inside, and it is stuffed with tissue paper the moment, but inside it just has this beige neutral color fiber lining, microfiber lining, which is the same with the medium one in a nude color. And yeah, that's what it looks like. And I really like the smaller one, because I have to say, even though it's different, but it kind of reminds me a little bit with the classic Chanel. And even though I let it go, I have a little bit of regret right now that I cannot stop thinking about it. Maybe someday I get it again, but it kind of reminds me of that Chanel classic bag, even though it's not the same bag obviously, but it is quite similar. Cannot really deny that, the similarity. And just gonna show you the comparison of side by side. So if you're interested, I'm gonna do a comparison video of the medium bag and the smaller bag. I'm gonna talk more in depth about that, but today I'm just gonna show you the side by side comparison. So this one is the medium one, this is the smaller one, and I feel in the smaller one while in the medium one I feel like it's too big to be worn as a crossbody. That's why I like it to be worn as an over the shoulder bag. And with this one, well, obviously you can wear it as an over the shoulder bag, and it looks pretty too. But one thing that you know that I like is wearing it as a crossbody, because that's just my jam. Okay, so I really like it because the strap is not too long, it's not too short. I'm 5'2" for your reference, and it just falls perfectly on right in front of my hip like that. Yeah, I don't know, I just love the way it looks. And yeah, even though some people say that the big Gucci logo at the back is like so tacky because it just screams Gucci, but I don't know. For me, I like it because the gold is like this comes in this antique gold, and it doesn't, I don't know, even though it's Gucci, it screams Gucci, but it's understated at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's my unboxing for this small Gucci Marmont. Thank you guys for joining me on my channel today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comment down below what videos you like to watch, or yeah, just give me some video ideas, and I'll make sure that I read all through the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.